Avoiding gift card scams, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important topic, gift card scams. These scams are common, and it's crucial to understand what they are and how to avoid them. So, let's dive in and learn together. Gift card scams involve tricking people into buying gift cards and then sharing the card information with the scammer. Scammers often pretend to be from a well-known organization and create a sense of urgency or fear to convince their victims. Remember, no legitimate company or government agency will ask for payment in gift cards. Scammers use various tactics, like impersonation, pretending to be from a trusted company or government agency. Urgency, creating a fake emergency to prompt quick action. Secrecy, asking you to keep the transaction a secret. Intimidation, threatening legal action or financial loss. To protect yourself, never share gift card details, especially the PIN. Verify the situation. If someone asks for gift cards, contact the company through official channels. Report scams. Inform local authorities or consumer protection agencies. If you've been scammed, act quickly. Contact the card issuer immediately. Report it. Notify the police and fraud agencies. Learn from the experience. Share your story to help others. I hope this video helps you understand and avoid gift card scams. Stay vigilant and always question unusual payment requests. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Stay safe and informed.